Everyone listening right now, I want you to breathe for a second. Just breathe. You didn't find this message by accident. Something inside you is tired of the same days, the same problems, the same excuses. And that's not weakness. That's awareness. Most people wait for a new year, a new month, or a perfect moment to change. But change doesn't come from the calendar. It comes from a decision. Here is the truth nobody tells you. 30 days can change your life. Not because 30 days is magic, but because focus is magic. Think about this. If your life feels stuck, it's not because you are broken. It's because your energy is spread everywhere. A little here, a little there. No direction. No clear target. Imagine trying to hit a target while blindfolded. You might shoot a lot of arrows, but none will land where you want. That's how many people live. Busy but lost. So today the first shift begins in your mind. You stop drifting. You choose a direction. Success is not what social media shows you. It's not cars, money, or applause. Success is waking up proud of yourself. Success is keeping promises to yourself. Success is knowing you are growing even when nobody is watching. Ask yourself this simple question. If the next 30 days worked perfectly, what would be different in my life? Not everything. Just one thing. Maybe you would feel stronger in your body. Maybe you would feel calmer in your mind. Maybe you would stop living paycheck to paycheck. Maybe you would finally start the thing you've been afraid to begin. One goal. Clear. Simple. Honest. Not, I want to do better. That's too weak. Say instead, in 30 days I will walk every day. Or in 30 days I will save this amount. Or in 30 days I will write every morning. Your brain needs clarity. Clarity gives power. But here's the twist most people miss. Your goal doesn't change your life. Who you become while chasing it does. That's why this next part matters. You don't attack the whole mountain at once. You climb it step by step. Think about learning to walk. You didn't run on day one. You stood. You fell. You stood again. Growth works the same way. 30 days is not one big task. It's 4 short weeks. And each week has a job. Not to be perfect. Not to be fast. Just to move forward. When people quit, it's not because they are lazy. It's because the goal feels too heavy. So you make it lighter. If your goal is fitness, week 1 is not about results. It's about showing up. Put on the shoes. Step outside. That's a win. If your goal is learning, week 1 is not about mastery. It's about opening the book. Watching the lesson. 5 minutes counts. Small wins teach your brain something powerful. I can do this. Confidence doesn't come from success. Success comes from confidence built by small wins. Every week you finish, you build trust with yourself. And trust is everything. Now let's talk about the real engine of change. The daily habit. Not motivation. Motivation is loud but weak. It disappears when life gets hard. Habits are quiet, but they last. A habit is a vote for the person you want to become. When you show up every day, even in a small way, you send yourself a message. I matter. My future matters. This is how lives change. A mother who walks 10 minutes a day starts to feel stronger. That strength gives her energy. That energy changes how she shows up for her kids. A student who reads 10 minutes a day builds focus. That focus builds confidence. That confidence changes their future. A worker who saves a little every day builds control. That control builds freedom. Tiny actions. Massive impact. But here's the rule. Make it easy. Don't try to be a hero. Be consistent. 5 push-ups are better than 0. 1 page is better than none. 1 honest effort beats a perfect plan you never start. And track it. Tracking is not pressure. Tracking is truth. When you write things down, you stop guessing. You stop lying to yourself. You see progress even when you feel stuck. You see patterns you didn't notice before. You learn when you work best. You learn what slows you down. You learn who you are. That knowledge is power. Now here's another twist that changes everything. Instead of adding more, remove one thing. One distraction. One habit that steals your time and gives nothing back. Maybe it's endless scrolling. Maybe it's late nights that ruin your mornings. Maybe it's negative talk you repeat every day. You don't need to fix your whole life. Just remove one leak. When you stop wasting energy, growth speeds up. And finally, this is what separates people who change from people who don't. Reflection. Once a week you pause. Not to judge. Not to quit. But to learn. You ask, what worked? What didn't? What can I do better next week? This is how you stop repeating the same mistakes. This is how effort turns into wisdom. Life will interrupt you. That's normal. Missing a day does not mean you failed. Quitting means you failed. Adjust. Adapt. Continue. After 30 days, something powerful happens. You don't just see results. You see proof. Proof that you can change. Proof that you can commit. Proof that you are stronger than you thought. And once you believe that, everything changes. This is not about 1 month. This is about becoming unstoppable. The world does not need a perfect you. It needs a consistent you. Start today. Not tomorrow. Not Monday. Today. One goal. One habit. 1 month. Your future is waiting for the version of you who decides to begin. And that decision is right now. If this video gave you something to reflect on, like it, share it, and subscribe for more.